Today, Samsung Galaxy A35 its compare Oppo Reno 8 Pro, Samsung A35 6.6 inches Super AMOLED display with a full HD screen provide. Oppo Reno 8 Pro 6.7 inches AMOLED display with a full HD screen provide. Samsung A35 based on Android 14, Oppo Reno 8 Pro based on Android 12. Samsung A35 devices powered by the Samsung Exynos 1380 chipset. Oppo Reno 8 Pro devices powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max chipset. Samsung A35 6GB, 8GB, 12GB of RAM. Oppo Reno 8 Pro 8GB or 12GB of RAM. Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Oppo Reno 8 Pro internal memory. Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Oppo Reno 8 Pro graphics. Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Oppo Reno 8 Pro plus main camera. Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Oppo Reno 8 Pro custom UI. Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Oppo Reno 8 Pro main camera. Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Oppo Reno 8 Pro front camera. Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Oppo Reno 8 Pro battery capacity.